Hi, I'm Karen Borga, fiber artist, and welcome to my fiber studio. Super excited that you're here. I am working on lining for my handbags now, and I originally had sent my lining out to be printed with the company logo. And well, to be honest with you, the fact that it starts out as a white piece of fabric and then it's printed on top was causing problems when I was putting pins in it, because the white was being revealed when the pin heads, the points, were touching the threads and disrupting them. And then at one point I got it. Let me see if I can find it. Let me change the screen. See, it's really pretty. I mean, I really like my lining, but I'm trying to see if you can. There's a run here because of a pin, a run in the fabric, and I had already put in the pocket, hand sewed it. The magnets are in it. I have the D-rings in, and I just can't sell something that has a run in it. So I decided that I would change things up a bit. This, I'm going to just pull the lining out and, I don't know, toss it. My new lining. This lining I hand dyed, and so it is a gray and a terracotta color. It was my first attempt, and not necessarily thrilled with the way it came. I mean, I believe it's absolutely beautiful. It looks marbled, and so I believe it's stunning as well, but it was not exactly what I wanted. So I get to play, and I love playing. My next ones are coming out much darker, which is what I had anticipated. I really wanted, dark, maybe not this color, but a darker interior. And so basically every Woolorn handbag is going to be a surprise lining, because none of them are going to be the same when they're all hand dyed. So I wanted to share that with you, and I'm putting interfacing on this cotton twill to give it a little bit more stability. And then so now I'm to the point where I am measuring how much lining I need, how much pocket I need, and then I will be sewing at least this baby together and hopefully having her ready for going online. So this is a Woolorn bag without the lining, without the D-rings and the strap, but you can see the magnet here that I sewed on, and on this side as well, but they will be hidden by the lining. I wanted a really strong magnet. I don't know whether you can see that it's still attached, even though I'm giving it a really good tug, because the one that I was carrying for a year before I decided to make these, I did not put any sort of closure, and my bag dumped out quite a few times. So I don't want that to happen to the Woolorn people. So soft and fluffy, very textured. You could find some vegetable matter in here because it's a sheep's wool and it's unprocessed, except for being washed while felting. So here I am, and I am going to be measuring out the lining cutting it out and giving it a sew. So I'll see you on the next one. Bye.